I'm Bee Leng again from the Burning Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to do a stir-fry beef white noodle. In Cantonese it's called 干炒河粉 or 干炒牛河. So these are all the ingredients that are needed. What is very important in this dish is the wok hei, the fire must be very high, in order to give you the kind of aroma, Usually in the restaurant, their stove is a very special stove with 2 rings of fire. So they actually turn on the 2 rings, so the fire is very, very, very hot. So I will try my best to do it at home to give it the kind of wok hei that we needed. This hor fun is actually the kway tiao, Okay, if it's cut this way, it's called kway tiao, okay? But this is a thicker one, it's the hor fun. When you want to buy beef, you look at the beef, it must be this color, If it turn a little bit darker color or black, then don't buy. It is really not fresh already. So this is very fresh. I just bought it from the market this morning. So how do I start cutting it? You look at this grain, it's like this, it's like crisscross. Whereas this one, the grain is vertical. If I cut it like this, you look at the grain, this is all vertical, right? So if you were to cut the beef this way, it's going to be very tough. The right way to cut it is actually across it like this. You look at this one and this. Can you see the difference? So this is the vertical line, this is the cross section. Try not to cut it too thin, okay? Like this. This thickness will be just nice. Otherwise, it has no substance, Yeah. Marinate the beef. A bit of sodium bicarbonate, then oil. Light sauce, oyster sauce, pepper, then add in the corn flour. Okay, add in about 3 tablespoons of water. The water is added in to make the beef a little bit more moist. Remove the skin from the yellow onion, cut into very thin wedges like this, okay? Cut off this, the root. So now I will cut the spring onion into about like 5 cm. So I cut half, stack it up. What I normally do is that I will wash it first, put a little bit of salt. Because salt will actually help to remove all the soil and sand that is hidden, in the leaf. Little bits of salt will do, like 1 teaspoon. You don't soak in the salt water because it's going to be very salty because the vegetable will absorb the water. Okay, so now I washed the chai sim already. And then when I pluck it out, make sure that it's all in line. This is the part that I don't want, I cut away. Okay, when you cut the vegetable, any vegetable, okay, you try to separate the stalk from the leaf. Why? Because the stalk is so hard, right? You need longer time to cook this. So you will normally fry this stalk first, then you put in the leaf. Okay, so it will be just nice. This is the root part, This is the bottom part. Just cut it. Okay, so this is a bit fibrous. Just put it out like this. And then you just cut into 2. All my dishes, I got taugeh, right? As usual, remove this part and this part. So I just leave the white one. So how to revive bean sprout when it turns a little bit not so nice looking. Okay, I tell you one trick, okay? What you need to do is, after all this bean sprout, soak in a bowl of cold water and leave it in the fridge. After that, you'll revive. You'll be plumped up like this. It's so nice. Suddenly my taugeh came alive, Okay, now the ginger. Okay, again, I'm using the bentong ginger. I'm going to use my knife again to scrape off the skin. Just look at how I place my thumb on the knife and my finger I hold like this. Okay, so this one is to stabilize the knife. So now I'm going to slice the ginger. So now I will start frying the beef first. So I add the oil. So you have to give the beef a stir. So the beef is about probably 80%. So it's a little bit of pink. Don't have to worry about this because we're going to fry it again. I use the oil that I fried the beef. You can see the smoke coming out. Then put the hor fun in. Okay, so I put some light sauce. Okay, put some black vinegar, dark sauce. Okay, so it should be this color, but if you want it lighter, you put less dark sauce. If you like it a little bit darker, then you put a little bit more dark sauce. So this is the oil that I used to fry the beef just now. Just put some ginger and some garlic. Now add in the onion. Okay, put the stock in first. Okay, put some salt. Leaf. Now I add in the beef. Now I add in some dark sauce. Then put in the bean sprout. And then throw back the hor fun in. And then stir fry it. Hey, have you all finished taking a video or not? I'm so hungry already. I want to eat now. I will help myself to the hor fun. My plate is very holy, you know, it's a holy plate. So I didn't know, I tilt it this way, then all the succulent juices all drop onto the floor. What a waste. The floor also want to eat it. See?